Welcome. Imagine putting an iframe where you can design any piece of jewelry from scratch. As you can see, this is Custom Studio where you can create your own jewelry. As you click this button, this is something that can actually work from anywhere, a mobile device, from a cell phone, an iPad, a desktop, and you can choose your own picture. How you can get those pictures is you can browse 100 million Google images, and here are some of the images we like that we just picked up off of Google. This is actually a vintage pendant. We're going to open up this image right into Custom Studio and help modify customer make a pendant of their choice. This is very easy to visualize. You can do a lot of things in here. Let's say if the customer wants to change this small little diamonds into something else, or put a design pattern because they don't have a larger budget. There's a lot of things you can do. We'll go ahead and play around with it as I show you here. We can go ahead and create red rubies in here. Let's reduce the size of these rubies down to where we need to, and we can place them in the center, and we can reduce them furthermore in the size as needed. Now, once you start creating these, you can create duplicate stones very easily. You can create a duplicate right up there, and you can create and place them as you go along. And you can create another duplicate right up here and modify the designs as you go along. So Custom Studio kind of helps out a lot in terms of where you can go into. If you selected a cushion center and wanted the peridot to be the center here, you can easily drag and drop that stone in here and simply go ahead and arrange that into a larger stone. And with that, you can bring it in and visualize those changes instantly as you start playing around with it. It's so easy to use. It's user friendly. Anybody can use it. You don't need to have any CAD knowledge in it. But as you can see, I'm changing the designs as you go along, overlaying it. You can even add elements to it. So like here, we're going to use yellow gold designs in here and look at what the options are in terms of the designs that we might like. There are so many choices to choose from. As you can see, it is compiling more and more designs on the left side. As you go ahead and start pulling those up, you will ultimately be able to select one of the designs that you do like, and you will be able to place that right on top of the design to create a visual effect the way you would want it to be. And whatever that design aspect would be is very easily adaptable with the design changes that you can see that are coming up in within the app itself. So, I'm going to take one of these designs right up here that I think will probably look good. I can change it around. I can make it smaller. I can make it larger. I can place it in there instead of the diamonds. I can stretch it out if I need it to be, and I can overlay it to see if that is exactly what I want based off of this option. So you can see how easy it is to go ahead and modify these designs. Overlaying is very easy in terms of where it is coming in through. There are bales, there are shanks, there are heads. You can create a design for completely from scratch. In this one, you can change just about any element. You can put a little halo on this little pendant, bottom stone in rose gold if you wanted to. You can just say simply halo. You would select an oval in it. You could select a yellow gold halo or a rose gold halo. Will select the yellow for right now, and we will add and change the design instantly in terms of where it is. So as you can go along, and as you can see, these designs are very easy to create as you go along and make those changes. And look how pretty all of a sudden the design is starting to look and shape. You can use multiple stones for the customers. Any design from anywhere in the internet can be brought into Custom Studio. We can save these images and send them instantly to the customer, or they can do it sitting on their own couch, on their own iPad, linked directly to your store name. They will also be able to view their creations in before and after setting, which allows them to see where they started and what it became, which will give them the transition of what it will look. So that was the design that we just created. The before and after images are right there. You can tell this was what we started and this is what we created. Very simple software to use, very easy to go ahead and do it. And price quotes can be mentioned instantly. So to find out more about Custom Studio, simply visit us on stargems.com. There's a tab in the menu item which says Custom Studio. Find out more about it, and let's get started in changing how your business can really grow in terms of that. You also have within our own directory the ability of 10,000 plus CAD designs that you can access to. Any of these designs can be easily modified. And so with Custom Studio, you will be able to expand your entire uh, offering of what you can bring to your own customer base in terms of where we go in. We look forward to helping you in growing your custom business with Custom Studio. Thank you.